Hello, guys, and welcome back to Be Uplifted. I want to welcome you to this guided meditation for positive energy. But before we begin, I have a question for you. Do you feel tired? Just be honest. Do you feel tired? You may be trying this meditation in the morning or even in the evening, but because it's a morning meditation, I want to know, do you feel tired? Many people feel really tired before they head out for work in the mornings or even school. This is something that can affect everyone, regardless of your age. Well, if that is the case, and you in fact do feel tired or just a bit overwhelmed right now, you've come to the right place. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you to maintain a healthy balance between your body and your mind. You can practice this anytime and anywhere, and it will help to alleviate stress. Now, just like regular running or regular exercise that you may do, the more you practice meditation is the more you will notice the benefits, and it's the longer that these benefits will last, both in your body and in your mind. Here is something that you should know. If you focus on eating healthier and try to exercise more regularly, and even get more sleep and use natural products on your skin or even while you're at home, if you forget to take care of your mind, you will still feel tired and unbalanced throughout your days and maybe throughout your life. I'm going to walk you guys through this morning meditation for positive energy, and it will help to reduce stress and it will help you to find peace within. Now, one of the biggest goals is that you will tune in to yourself and connect with your center. I first want to just commend you for doing this, because most persons, they start with the excuses first, that they don't have time, they cannot sit still, their mind keeps running. So just to get that out of the way, I just want you to click the like button. I know you're proud of yourself, and I'm proud of you too. Without further ado, let's dive straight into this morning meditation for positive energy. Please start by getting in a comfortable seated position where you will not be disturbed by anyone. If you are in your bathroom, that also works just fine. I'm going to now invite you to close your eyes. Take this moment to embrace and feel your entire body in the space that it is in, from the very top of your head all the way down your spine, straight down to the soles of your feet. Now take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold this breath before exhaling fully through your mouth. Take another deep breath. Hold it in and then exhale fully. During this time, mentally let go of anything that is no longer helping you at this very moment. Now I need you to take both of your hands, bring them up to the center of your chest, where your heart center is located, and repeat this mantra: I am enough. Now, regardless of what you're going through in your family, in your life, whatever it is, I just want you to take this moment and be with whatever thoughts, feelings, emotions, and sensations that come to the front of your mind with no judgment whatsoever. And then repeat the mantra: I am enough. Now take your awareness to the very top of your head and then extend it above you and begin to visualize a light or an energy source right above your head. Visualize this light coming into your head, your neck, as well as your shoulders. Allow it to come down both arms, your hands, and your entire body. Feel the light coming down to your hips, flowing down to your legs and into your feet. Now begin to visualize all the positive energy you have within your body and visualize it shining down as bright as the sun. Bringing this shiny glow of energy to your crown center at the top of your head, take another very deep breath and breathe in and out. Feel the healing energy now moving over your neck and shoulders. Again, down your arms to your fingertips and over your heart center. Allow it to fill you with unconditional love as you take another deep breath in and out. Feel the healing energy move throughout your body, throughout your hips, down to your legs and even your toes. Embrace this positive energy as it grounds you to the earth. Take another deep breath in and out. Allow this positive energy to flow freely through your body. Try to focus your attention on your breathing and feel as the positive energy moves throughout your entire being. Feel a clarity and alertness within your mind, within your vitality, and allow it to truly awaken your soul. Take another deep breath in and release it through your mouth. Feel your entire body as a source of radiant, glowing light, and now extend this light around you to form a protective aura surrounding your entire body. Repeat the mantra, I am enough. And if there is anything that is not serving you positively today, try to release it right now and surround yourself with positive energy as you prepare for your day. Open your eyes, put a smile on your face, and go and have yourself a peaceful and wonderful day. Thanks again for tuning in to Be Uplifted. I hope you really enjoyed this guided meditation, and I hope that I earned your thumbs up on this video. If you've not yet done so, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to share this video with someone who you believe may benefit from some positive energy that you have released today. Thank you so much and have yourself a wonderful day.